In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Docs to Google Slides easily and efficiently. Whether you're planning a presentation for school or work, or simply looking to repurpose content, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure a smooth transition from document to presentation. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever browser you use regularly. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Google homepage by typing in the URL or selecting it from your bookmarks if it's already saved. Make sure that you are signed into your Google account. If not, simply click on the Sign In button located in the upper right corner. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and then click Next. After that, enter your password and click Next again to log in. Now that you're signed in, locate the small grid of 9 dots in the upper right corner of the screen. This is the Google Apps menu. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with various Google services. From this menu, select Google Docs. If you don't see it immediately, you may need to scroll down or expand the menu options to find it. Here you can either open an existing document that you want to convert or create a new one. If you choose to create a new document, click on Blank to start fresh. Now that your document is open, you'll need to transfer its contents to Google Slides. Begin by highlighting the text and any images in your Google Doc that you want to include in your presentation. To do this, click at the start of your content and drag your mouse to the end. Once everything is highlighted, use the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on a Mac to copy the selected content. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to Google Slides by visiting slides.google.com. Once you're there, click on the plus blank button to create a new presentation. This will give you a fresh canvas for laying out your slides. Click on the first slide in your new presentation to select it, and then paste your previously copied content by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac. Now it's time to format your slides. Adjust the layout to ensure everything is clear and visible. This could include resizing images, changing font sizes, or altering spacing. If there's a large amount of content, consider adding new slides and distributing the content across them to maintain a clean, organized structure. Formatting isn't just about aesthetics, it's key to delivering a clear and professional presentation. By following these steps, you can easily convert your Google Doc into a polished presentation with Google Slides. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.